I was impressed how good they sound. Check this out. I don't want to get any strikes, copyright strikes on this sound, so I'm not going to let it run for too long, but yeah, this sounds really good. So much better. So these are the speakers from SOULIon. SOULIon. I'm not sure exactly how to pronounce them. They're plugged in USB. They're 5 watt each. But man, they make this laptop sound so much better, because without these, it just sounds silly. Yeah, this laptop was so bad before. And then you just plug them into the USB. And you turn them on, push the power button.
USB mode.
So now it's in USB mode. The computer usually switches automatically to these. So much better.